Hello, everyone. How are you guys today? I hope everybody's having a good day. My day is finally over and I'm ready to relax for the evening, but I want to share my word for today with you guys. Um, let's start off with the answer for the question from the last time I was on here, which was, how many books in the Bible did John write? Well, the answer is he wrote 5. He wrote John 1, 2, and 3, and he also wrote Revelations, which is the one that I got wrong. So, but that's the answer. He wrote the 4 books of John and Revelations. Okay, and what we're going to read today is Romans 14, verses 10 through 13. For why dost thou judge thy brother? Or why dost thou set at naught thy brother? For we shall all stand before the judgment seat of Christ. For it is written, As I live, says the Lord, every knee shall bow to me, and every tongue shall confess to God. So then every one of us shall give account of himself to God. Let us not therefore judge one another any more, but judge this rather, that no man put a stumbling block or an occasion to fall in his brother's way. Now, I'm going to read it to you in the NLT version so that you'll understand what it's saying. To those that don't understand, because I'm, like I said and keep saying, I'm still learning too. So I have to go to the NLT sometimes and get the meaning to make sure I'm understanding it the way the way I know it needs to be understood. So in the NLT version, it says, so why do you condemn another believer? Why do you look down on another believer? Remember, we will all stand before the judgment seat of God. For the scriptures say, as surely as I live, says the Lord, every knee will bend to me, and every tongue will confess and give praise to God. Yes, each of us will give a personal account to God. So let's stop condemning each other. Decide instead to live in such a way that you will not cause another believer to stumble and fall. All right. And for today's question, it is, if a cheerful heart is good medicine, what does a crushed spirit do? Again, the question is, if a cheerful heart is good medicine, what does a crushed spirit do? All right, well, those are my verses and my questions for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Thank you for everyone that checked on me. I am feeling a lot better, and I will talk to you again soon. Blessings.